Together with our partners, we at the transport innovation platform Closer drive the real project, where we develop, demonstrate and analyze systems for electric trucks and stationary charging in regional logistics. We all know electric trucks have superior environmental characteristics compared to diesel trucks, thanks to low emissions of noise, particulates and gases. But their performance is different in such a way that the total logistics system needs to be modified, and a new electric energy supply system needs to be built up. Therefore, we run projects like REAL to learn how to handle these issues in an effective way.
As a logistic company dealing with both long-haul and general cargo distribution, it is vital to us to understand how the electric vehicles affect our logistic network. Since March 2021, we operate a 60-ton electric vehicle from Volvo, which is its first electric vehicle of its kind. The truck runs between two of our Swedish terminals, Jönköping and Gothenburg. Before it leaves Jönköping around midnight, it is charged and loaded with pallets and parcels. When arriving in Gothenburg in the morning, it is unloaded and charged before it starts its day shift in the Gothenburg area. When finalized, it will return to our Gothenburg terminal, load up and charge before it returns back to Jönköping again. With this setup, we gain around 450 and 500 kilometers of driving in a single day.
The REAL project and the collaboration between DHL and Volvo is not only a truck performance project, it's an innovation platform where we do learn a lot of knowledge around all the parts and pieces of a complete electrified logistics system. Of course, we learn a lot about truck performance and how different conditions affect energy consumptions, such as 5 centimeters of wet snow in a winter day. What does that make to energy consumption? We also learned a lot that could be used as input to policy development. Trucks are waiting for infrastructure and vice versa. So we need policy to step in with incentive schemes and public funding support system that will help the trucks and the infrastructure to come in place in a synchronized manner. So bringing policy into this is going to be vital if we're going to speed up the transition towards a sustainable transport system.
Every day we are responsible for delivering groceries to supermarkets all around Sweden. In the REAL project, we have taken our first step to electrify our heavy truck transport from our warehouse near Stockholm. In order to minimize total cost of ownership, the vehicles operate in 2 shifts and are charged at our terminal port every time they return to the warehouse for reloading and also driver's break. This allows each truck to run approximately 5 roads from our warehouse every day.
For us as an OEM, it's important to learn from our customers and to adapt to the customer needs to find a suitable solution. And it's equally important to adapt to new findings during the demonstration so that we can propose new solutions to our customers. I think that this system demonstrator has really given us useful input for the future, and a key to success has been to have a close and transparent dialogue with our customer and transport partners in this, so that we can learn for the future.
Together with these pioneering companies in REAL, we have already gained a lot of new insights and data from REAL operations that will help us in the transformation to electrified logistics. We are now preparing for the next step, where we will scale up and learn how to handle several electric trucks in an operation.
Despite all the learnings we have done on the truck, perhaps the most important insight is actually to understand the complete system change that we are facing. It's not changing a truck, it is changing a complete transport system with all the new actors that are involved, charging operators, grid providers, etc. And we see that a lot of these challenges require new ways of working, and this innovation platform, the real project, is really the base for that kind of learnings.